welcome back to a new video. So today I will show you, or I will give you my prompt to write an SEO and a very good not text but blog for your blogs that I'm using also. So yeah, it's for free, by the way. And I will put everything in this website. This is my website called darkdiary.com, that you can find free projects and a lot of fixed errors and stuff and SEO thingies, and everything will be in here. Okay, so if you need free coding projects with the source code and stuff, you can just come to darkdiary.com. All right, so let's go to ChatGPT. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT what is the best and I don't know, give me a good prompt that I can give you to write me a very SEO and a good SEO optimized blog post. So this is what is it. So write a detailed SEO optimized blog post on the topic that you want to write, and I want it engaging, informative, and structured for high Google rankings. So with this prompt, you will write a very good blog, but also SEO optimized, and you can rank in top of Google. Also, here I told him that I want every single thing that a good blog should have, like headings and stuff. And here I give him a list of questions or topics or whatever. By the way, you can find the questions from here or headings. Let's say blog about no how to do a, I don't know, logging page in HTML. So as you can see here, you have a lot of questions that you can generate or you can get from the people also ask section. And by the way, when you open one, it gives you more questions, so you can copy paste it and put it here in the list, and here it is. It gives you a very good one. Okay, so thank you for watching, and bye bye. Don't forget to come to darkdiary.com. Bye.